This is part 7 of Milton and Moyo and Ga goes to Philadelphia to watch, to go to the, oh look, Justin Arch. Okay, great. Okay, great, Ga, look what you've done. What did he done? Hey, the candles are not burnt yet. They needs to be burnt, all 12 candles. It's 8. I don't care. Do they do it after or before Christmas? I think it's before. I think it's after Christmas. What do you think, guys? Or like a week before. No. Come here. This is dangerous. This part is dangerous. I'm going to suffer a virus when I go home. But I finally did it! What did you did? Oh my God! It's Benjamin Franklin's house. It's where Benjamin lives. I'm going to tell him I'm your biggest fan. How did you discover the electricity? How did you did it? I want to do a test. And also, I want to tell him. And also, I want to tell Benjamin Franklin. Can you give me my autograph? Sure he did. I don't care, God. Lol. Oh, look, there's a flock of birds and... I hit my nose.